You can convert an existing polyline into a subassembly. How to do that? You go to the Home tab, the Create Design panel. If you click on the drop-down arrow there, you'll see the additional commands down here. And one of the commands is Create Subassembly from Polyline. If you click on that, you'll be prompted to select an entity or a polyline. You can click on that and you can name it whatever you want. You can call it a D1 curb. And the code set style it will take is the all codes. And then we will erase the existing entity. Click on OK. And right now, a curb is formed. A customized curb is formed. And if I click on it and I go to subassembly properties, I can check and there are no parameters. Here are the codes. If I add the link, if I expand the link codes, there are no codes. If I expand the point codes, there are no codes. Let's see how we can add codes. So here, the contextual tab, you can add codes. For example, I can add 0.1 road and click enter. And then it's a point code. And I can select that. I can add another code. Point 2 road, enter. And select that. Let me escape. If we now go to the subassembly properties, let's look at the codes. Here we can now see the 2 point codes that we have just created. Point road 1, P2, P road 2. And if you want to edit those point codes and assign them different styles, we could do so. We could import them here. Here, and we can assign them styles. So you can add codes into customized subassemblies in that manner.